The new Partnership for African Development Agency is on a mission to get the continent producing bioenergy. It says Africa has the potential to be the largest producer of biofuels in the world by 2050. And with the world seeking to become more carbon neutral, there's a strong emphasis to shift to alternative renewable energies. NEPAD says investment in this area will build a significant industry and create jobs.
Gathering scientists, private investors and policymakers around a table. NEPAD seeking to sell the viability of the development of bioenergy in Africa. However, it concedes that much work needs to be done to ensure harmony of national, regional and continental biofuel policies that will create certainty and predictability for potential investors. And it says there should be no contradiction between food security and the continent's ability to produce bioenergy.
By having a clear-cut national policy, transparent, with the participation of the main stakeholders, which means stakeholders who are linked to the food security issues, stakeholders who are linked to the bioenergy sector. If you create the necessary space for a coherent and intelligent interaction, then you have common objectives which can allow the resolution of these contradictions.
To be practical in spearheading its bioenergy initiative, NEPAD's looking to create an incubation fund which will not only provide finance but capacity to advise on bioenergy developments. The fund would seek to fund start-up businesses that have the potential but not necessarily the funds, for example.
There are a certain number of success stories in the Southern African region in bioenergy. So we can draw lessons from these success stories and try to see how we replicate.
NEPAD didn't indicate what its monetary target for the fund is, but is hoping the cash will start flowing into the Sub-Saharan Africa Fund before the end of the year. And it plans to set up identical incubator funds in other Africa regions. Nompumelelo Siziba, Business News, Johannesburg.
A new